Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinal Pandit, heading Multispeciality Physiotherapy and the Rehabilitation Center in Bombay Hospital. As we all know, physiotherapy plays a very important role in all medical and surgical cases. The physiotherapy not only rehabilitates the patient functionally, but also physically, psychologically, and socially. We take care of pain, discomfort, and the disability of the patient and improve the quality of living of the patient. Physiotherapy department of Bombay Hospital is on 10th floor MRC building. We have a multi-speciality physiotherapy department with high-tech and well-advanced technologies along with great ambience and space. Along with the routine physiotherapy equipments like shortwave diathermy, ultrasound, IFTs, we also have a very advanced technology machines in physiotherapy department like hot magners, hydrocollators, steam machines, the cryotherapy, compression cryotherapy, robotics, and the hand station equipments for the neurological rehabilitation. Expertise skill along with the compassionate approach is our motto. And we all have a strong team of 20 physiotherapists which are highly qualified. They are specialized in neuro, cardiopulmonary, community-based disorders, pediatric disorders, musculoskeletal and the sports injuries. They all treat the patients with lot of compassion, hard work and personalized attention. Expertise skills with compassionate approach is very important for the patients to recover. We have in Bombay Hospital Physiotherapy Department the neurorehabilitation special protocol for various gait improvement, balance coordination improvement. We also have a cardiopulmonary rehabilitation packages for the patients to gain back their endurance level and their aerobic capacities. We have advanced treadmills, ergonomic chairs, ergonomic cycles. We also have motorized tiltables for gaining a better neuro rehabilitation program. Our Bombay Hospital Physiotherapy Department is basically has a very skillful protocol for the brachial plexus injury patients which has undergone the surgery of tendon transfers and also the nerve repairs and the nerve transfer patients. Right from the neonatal patients to the adult brachial plexus injury patients, we have a proper rehabilitation protocols which we not only follow in the department but also on the video conferencing. We have that facility. Our physiotherapy department is a walk-in physiotherapy department where the patients can walk in from morning 7:30 to evening 7:30 in the OPD basis, and they will definitely get a personalized attention for the speedy recovery. Our perfect physical partner is our physical wellness. So move better and live better. The rehab, renew and rejoice is the motto of Physiotherapy Department of Bombay Hospital. Thank you.